What's up? Tayo pinagbabalik sa panibagong video na kung saan maglalaro tayo ng horror game na pinangalanang Five Nights at Freddy Season 2. So bago nga sa mga video na to guys, hindi pa ako po kayo nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka natin siya muna sa mga tropa mo, yung panginintay natin play. Ay gusto ko muna kayo pabatiin ng isang maulang gabi. So bago nga sa mga video na to, tara na. Gabi umaga, bahala na. Continue na tayo. So most probably wala this the part 2 kasi actually yung laro ko to naulit-ulit ako kasi dahil sa na napakahirap ko nila kasi sa patili ko nga.
Yeah, I told you your first night wouldn't be a problem. You're a natural.
Okay.
By now I'm sure you've noticed the older models sitting in the back room. Those are from the previous location. Parts now. The idea at first was to repair them. They even started retrofitting them with some of the newer technology. But they were just so ugly, you know, and the smell. So the company decided to just go in a whole new direction and make them super kid friendly.
Ito yung guys, dapat to hindi to maano para
masasya natin na the whole Freddy head trick should work on them too. So whatever.
Okay.
I love those old characters. Did you ever see Foxy the Pirate? Oh wait, Foxy. Oh yeah, Foxy. Hey listen, that one was always a bit twitchy. I'm not sure if the Freddy head trick will work on Foxy. If for some reason he activates during the night and you see him standing at the far end of the hall, just flash your light at him from time to time. Those older models would always get disoriented with bright lights. It was called a sister restart or something.
Oh my god.
I think of it. I tried that on his room where something undesirable might be. You might hold him in place for a few seconds. Then most might carry it over to the newer models too. One more thing. Don't forget the music box. I'll be honest, I never liked that puppet thing. It's always thinking that I can go anywhere. I don't think it's pretty.
Oh my god, hindi ko siya.
So just don't forget the music box. Anyway, I'm sure it won't be a problem. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Goods. Dami nila. Palapit ng palapit to. Nandiyan ka lang. Wala na, patay na. Hindi ko ang hirap. Kagi. Game over na tayo kagad. Night 2 pa lang siya guys. Napakahirap niya ng laro. Legit. Hindi siya kagaya ng dati. Talagang ngayon magbulat ka na. Okay. Slow. So far dito wala. Masak slow. Dito pa naman to. Maintain natin to guys. Dahil mini-maintain ko eh. Kaya hindi sa episode matapos na natin yung Sunday. Kasi hindi din natapos eh. Sige, maintain natin yun. Okay, wala pa. Dami natin minimaintain eh. Resource of energy. Hindi naman ito. Okay. Ito yung lang. Bawas na nawas ito. Okay. Diyan ka lang. Huwag ka mawawala dyan. Ito yung boss na probably na gumagalaw yung blue. Show. Lalaga. Hindi lang ito gumagalaw. Hindi lang yung lipat. Sino naman ito? Kagi. Nandito na nandito to. Huli na tatakpan ko. Show. Kaki. Dami nila. Kailangan dami nila guys eh. Kasi yun. Woo! Success. Success far. Pero guys, sana nag-enjoy po kayo. At kung gusto nyo next part, medyo mahirap na po siya ngayon kasi so nahihirapan na rin po ako. Yun na para sa araw na to guys. Hanggang sa uli. Paalam. I think hindi pa siya tapos. Hindi pa nga siya tapos. Oh God. Ito. Panaginip lang. So yun na pala sa araw to guys. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam. Subscribe. Oh my goodness.